Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple mail accounts on an iPhone. First, open Settings in your mobile device. On scrolling down, you will see the option of Mail. Tap to open it. Here you'll see your account details. Tap to open Accounts. After that, tap on Add Account. You'll see different options to add an account. To show you, I'm using my Google account. Enter your email address or phone number. Tap on Next to continue. Then type your password. You may also need to complete two-step verification. Go to your Gmail account. You'll receive a verification mail. Tap on Yes, it's me to verify your device. Here, tap on Allow to give access. This mail address has been added to your device. You can add multiple accounts by following the same way. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.